dear kids, Assalamu Alaikum. How are you? Let's make colorful dinosaurs. This is a green dinosaur. Green Triceratops. Green Triceratops. Yay! Green Play-Doh. Green Triceratops. Green Triceratops. 1, 2, 3, go! Let's remove the excess of the Play-Doh. And then, ta-da! Let's see it. Green Triceratops. Green Triceratops. This is a pink dinosaur. Pink Play-Doh. It matches with the pink Play-Doh. Let's make a pink dinosaur. Pink Play-Doh. Pink dinosaur. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Ta-da! It's a pink dinosaur. Let's set it. Wow! Now, what's our next dinosaur? It's an orange dinosaur. Orange Play-Doh. Orange dinosaur. Yes! Orange dinosaur. Orange Play-Doh. Orange dinosaur. It's ready! Ta-da! Orange dinosaur. What's our next dinosaur? Let's see. This is a blue dinosaur. It matches with the blue Play-Doh. Blue Play-Doh. Blue dinosaur. Let's make a blue dinosaur. Blue Play-Doh. Blue. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Blue dinosaur. It's a blue dinosaur. Blue dinosaur. What's our next dinosaur will be? It's a red Brachiosaurus. It matches with the red Play-Doh. Yes! Red Play-Doh. Red Brachiosaurus. Red. 1, 2, 3. Red Brachiosaurus. Ta-da! Red Brachiosaurus.